Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up blog strategy with WordPress for dropshipping traffic step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience for the blog. Research topics that resonate with your audience and align with your dropshipping niche. Create a list of potential blog post titles based on your research. Sign in to your WordPress account or create one if you haven't already. Choose a suitable domain name that reflects your brand and niche. Select a hosting provider to launch your WordPress site. Install WordPress through your hosting provider's control panel. Choose a theme that complements your dropshipping business and enhances user experience. Customize your theme to reflect your brand colors, logo, and style. Install essential plugins for SEO, performance, and security. Set up basic pages like About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Create your first blog post by selecting a compelling title from your earlier list. Write engaging and informative content that addresses your audience's needs. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your content to optimize for search engines. Add high-quality images and graphics to enhance the visual appeal of your post. Create internal links to related blog posts to keep readers engaged on your site. Include call-to-action prompts directing readers to your dropshipping products or services. Publish your blog post and promote it on social media platforms. Monitor your blog's performance using analytics tools to track traffic and engagement. Adjust your content strategy based on data insights to continually improve results. Encourage reader interaction through comments, fostering a community around your blog. Keep your blog updated with regular content to maintain interest in traffic. Test different types of content, such as videos or infographics, to engage your audience. Collaborate with other bloggers to reach a wider audience and drive traffic. Continuously refine your blogging strategy based on industry trends and audience feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.